Stop wasting time manually updating your team on project status. Here's how to automate status updates in ClickUp in under 3 minutes and keep your team in the loop without lifting a finger. Today, we're using ClickUp automation to automatically update task statuses based on triggers you set. By the end of this video, your project statuses will update themselves and notify your team automatically. No manual work required. Let's get started. So first, we will open up our ClickUp workspace and click on the Automations button in the top right corner. Then we'll click Create an Automation. From here, we're going to choose our trigger, and we're going to say when a status changes to any status that you want to monitor, like when a status moves to in progress. So let's say it moves to an active status called in progress. Now we want to add our action. My suggestion will be something like posting a comment where you want to notify another team member automatically. So you can do this as well. So I would say, hey, you can also say, hey, watcher. So this could be like all the people who are watching this this particular task, the task creator, the assignees to the task, or you can input anybody individually. You can say, hey, this task is currently in progress, because maybe you want to tag in somebody who isn't technically a watcher or assigned to this task already. You can add conditions if needed. So you can filter by assignee, due date, or priority. For example, if you want to say if the assignee is somebody else, then that's when that task would trigger this automation. Again, you can also trigger this by, let's say, priority. So let's say only if the priority is normal, or you can say if it's set at all, and if it's set to normal priority. So that way, again, if you want to filter the tasks that are getting this particular action, you can do so under the trigger settings as well. So let's say we're going to keep this, we're going to take out this condition, and now we're going to click create. So now our automation is working. We're going to exit out of here. And if we come back over here, let's say we come back to this task one, we're going to change this task one from to do into in progress. Then if we click into that task, we should see the ClickUp by automation automatically made this comment. And so it tagged one of our people inside of our team to this particular task. So now we can see that the status updated automatically. Not the status, but this action step happened automatically based on a status. You can think of the ways that you can automate this even more. Maybe you want certain checklists, maybe you want certain messages to go out to certain people based on the status of a particular task. So now every time a task hits your trigger status, ClickUp will automatically update it to the next step that you want, such as a comment, such as changing the due date, such as adding a priority, and so on and so forth. And either way, it'll notify your team. So no more manual check-ins, no more outdated boards. Your project transparency runs on autopilot, and your team always knows what's happening without you having to lift a finger. They will get notified immediately. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to master more automations like this, then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side business. The link is in the bio and in the description. And remember to build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you soon.